Hello everyone and welcome to the fifth day of online workshop on UGC NET exam preparation. First of all, I would like to welcome Mr. Harshavardhan Deshmukh, who is the president of Shivaji Education Society Amravati. Then I would like to welcome Advocate Ulhas Aurangabadkar, the president of Dharampet Education Society Nagpur. Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, principal Dharampet MP College Nagpur. Dr. Bethana, Principal Bhavans College, Andheri; Dr. Vijay Thakre, Principal Shivaji Science College, Amravati; Dr. Bhise is Principal Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola; and all the members of the Botany for Youth Society, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Nitin Labane, Tushar Wankhede, and Dr. Deepak Koche. My name is Nishikant Wase, and I'm also a founder member of Botany for You, and I'm currently working as a senior scientist at the School of Medicine, University of Virginia in Virginia State. And I would like to welcome all those students and participants in this 5-day national workshop on CSIR-UGC-NET exam preparation. And I hope you all are enjoying since last 4 days and hope that today's 4 more lectures will be more informative for all of you and help you in your exam preparation. So the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Pitambar Humne. He is also a member of the Botany for You Society, and he's currently working as an associate professor and head department of Botany, Dharampet College of Science, Nagpur. And he's going to talk on attitude and method of preparation to crack the NET examination. He has more than 17 years of teaching experience and over 8 years of research experience in the field of angiospermic taxonomy, ethnobotany, and phytochemistry. He has published 2 books and several research papers in various journals of repute. The second speaker we have is Ms. Kiruba Pauldas. She is assistant professor in microbiology, Degree College of Art, Science and Commerce, Ambarnath, Thane. And she's going to talk on cell division and cell cycle. The third talk is by Dr. Devi Chinmay M. She is assistant professor in botany. She Ayappa College for Women in Nagarkol, Tamil Nadu, and she's going to talk on light harvesting complexes and photosynthetic apparatus. She has published 1 book and 28 research papers. And the last talk will be given by Dr. Shivaji Magar. He is assistant professor in botany at Dhanaji Nana Mahavidyalaya, Jalgaon. And he's going to talk on cellular respiration and their inhibitors. So friends, I hope you will enjoy all these talks, and you've been enjoying all the talks since last 4 days, and hope this will give you the necessary knowledge and information which would help you to gain success in this examination. With this, I stop here and I'll say best of luck to all of you, and thank you very much.